In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Acuity scheduling to Instagram on your PC. Hello everyone, and welcome to this new tutorial. I'm excited to show you just how easy it is to integrate your Acuity scheduling calendar, or the link to it, with your Instagram account. To get started, log into your Instagram account using your PC. Once you're in, navigate over to your profile page and look for the Edit Profile option. This is the starting point where you might expect to add links to your profile. However, it's important to note that if you're using the web version of Instagram, you'll soon realize that you cannot directly add the link here. This particular feature is only available on mobile devices where you can effortlessly edit your profile and insert the scheduling link into your bio. For our focus today, since we're handling this from a PC, we'll be directing our attention to integrating your Acuity scheduling link a bit differently. What you'll want to do is head over to your Acuity scheduling homepage next. Once there, look towards the right-hand side of your screen. You should be able to locate your scheduling page link. This is the link that allows others to see your available appointment slots and book consultations with you. Now, even though we can't directly insert this link into your Instagram bio on the web, there are still some creative and effective alternatives. One popular method is to use your link on a personal website if you have one, which can easily redirect visitors to your Acuity scheduling page. Another great option is to employ a link in bio platform such as Linktree or Linking Bio. These services allow you to collate various important links into one neat, clickable menu, which you can then share within your Instagram bio. This way, anyone interested in booking an appointment or consultation with you can access your scheduling link right from your Instagram profile without hassle. And that wraps it up. That was all for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel equipped to manage your Acuity scheduling integration like a pro straight from your PC. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the content or found it useful, please remember to like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our new uploads. Have a great day and happy scheduling.